Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can use Instagram filters in different ways. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and that you have the Instagram app downloaded and installed on your device. If you don't know how to download or install the Instagram app, make sure to check out a video that our channel has uploaded on that topic. Now, once you've downloaded and installed the Instagram app, open it up. Now after you open the Instagram app, you'll be guided to its homepage. Make sure that you're logged in, and if you don't know how to log in or sign up, you can check out the other videos. Now once you're logged in, on the top left corner of your screen you'll see this Your Story option. You can use filters on stories or posts. So let's start off by using filters on stories. Now to use a filter on your story, firstly you'll have to go to the Story tab. So click on this Your Story option on the top left corner of your screen, which will guide you to this page. There are two ways on which you can use filters on your stories. You can click a picture instantly with your camera by clicking on this camera option, which will guide you to this page where you'll have to click a picture like this, and then you can swipe left or right to apply a filter, and you can use this A or text tag to type something you want. So let's say I want to type in Friday, so I'll have to just type in Friday and then click on this done button or click back. You can also use stickers on your pictures. To use stickers on your pictures, you'll have to click on the sticker option on the top right corner of your screen. So just simply click on this option, which will guide you to another page. Now on this tab or page, you'll see multiple options for stickers which you can use on your story. Now to use a sticker, all you have to do is click on the sticker you want. So let's say I want to put my location on my story, so I'll have to click on this location option and you'll be guided to another page. You can find your location, so let's say it's Los Angeles, and then you can just simply click on it and there you have it, the location will be put in. Now moving on to how you can search for stories, what you have to do, so let's say I want to put my time on my story, so click on the search button, type in time. So there will be multiple options. So let's say I want to put a sticker that displays my time, my current time on my story. So simply click on this option and you'll see the time put in. There are other things you can do with stories, like you can use moving stories. So you can search for a GIF by clicking on this option. So let's say GIF, and there are multiple GIFs will appear on your screen. So let's say I want to put this dancing mushroom on my story, just have to put this like this, and you can use all these GIFs by simply clicking on them. You can search for specific GIFs. So let's say I want to search for Cristiano Ronaldo, so let it load, and as you can see, GIFs related to Cristiano Ronaldo will appear on your screen and you can just put it on your story easily. So moving on how you can use effects on your or filters on your stories. So what you'll have to do is click on this sparkling option on the top right corner of your screen, and a slider on the bottom of your screen will appear. So right now it says there is no effect applied. To apply an effect, you'll have to slide the slider to the right side or the left side of your screen. So let's say I want to apply this effect, just simply slide it, so it will be applied. You can just keep on sliding and choose an effect you want to use by just sliding and looking at them. You can, to make it easier for you to find the effect afterwards, find the effect or filter afterwards, you can use this bookmark option on the bottom left corner of your screen and you'll be able to find it easily. Now click on the done button and all these things are already applied to your story. All these filters are already applied to your story. Now there are some more options which you can do. Now click on this three dots on the top right corner of your screen, so a menu will appear. On that menu there will be a draw option and a save option. So for you to scribble on your story and apply that filter on your story, simply click on that draw option and multiple colors will appear on your screen. All you have to do to draw is simply scribble on your screen. You can change the color by clicking on the colors on the bottom right corner of your screen. You can also sample a color by simply doing this, and let's say I want this color, so it will draw the color. Now after you've done, you can also change your pens by clicking on them on the top of your screen. So let's say I want this pen, and as you can see, a sparkling lines will be drawn. Now you can, to save the changes you've made, you'll have to click on this tick option on the top right corner of your screen, which will guide you to this page. Now that's all for using filters on your stories. To post the story, simply click on this your story or close friends and simply click on it like this. Let it load and your story will be posted. As you can see on my screen, the story with all the applied filters has been posted. Now to use a photo that already exists on your phone and apply filters to that, all you have to do is click on the picture you want, and then you can manipulate it by simply doing all the things that we did by clicking a picture and posting it. Now moving on to using filters or effects on your Instagram posts. So firstly, you'll have to open the tab where you'll post. So click on this plus option on the bottom of your screen, which will guide you to this page. So let's say I want to apply effects on this picture. You can click a picture by clicking on this camera option. Now moving on, so after you choose a picture you want to apply effects and post it, choose the picture and then click on this arrow option on the top right corner of your screen. Now there will be multiple filters available for you to apply. So what you'll have to do is choose a filter by simply clicking on these options on the bottom of your screen. You can slide them to choose different filters. You can also edit the picture by clicking on this edit button and then setting the contrast, structure, and whatever you want from this set of options. Now moving back to the filters option, after you choose a filter for your story, a base filter for your story, to edit the filter even more, what you have to do is click on the filter again, which will guide you to this slider. Now on this slider you can choose how much the filter should be on your picture. So you can adjust or manipulate it by just simply moving the slider from left to right, and the more you move the slider to the right, the more the filter will be applied. After you choose a filter and adjust it, to post the picture, all you have to do is click on this arrow button on the top right corner of your screen, which will guide you to another page. Write a caption and then simply click on this tick option on the top right corner of your screen. As you can see on my screen, the picture with the filter has been posted. I hope this video helped you on how you can use filters on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.